Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The main characteristics of the Samsung Exynos 480 chipset have been revealed on Geekbench. The octa-core processor includes 4 main cores clocked at 2.75 GHz and 4 secondary cores clocked at 2.05 GHz. According to the latest news, the first smartphone that might launch with the Exynos 480 SoC is expected to be Galaxy A55 5G. Samsung is rumored to be working on a new mid-range A-series smartphone, debuted the Galaxy A55. The specifications of this upcoming handset were revealed by authoritative insiders. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. Samsung Exynos 480 SoC spotted on Geekbench database. With AMD GPU ahead of launch, the new Exynos chipset, expected to soon in the smartphone market, has been tested on the Galaxy A55 smartphone. An entry in the Geekbench database confirms the existence of the Exynos 480 chipset and highlights its key specifications. Samsung called this new chipset S5E8845, although its internal codename is ROSE. Previously, Exynos 1280 and Exynos 1380 chipset were released with model numbers S5E8825 and S5E8835 respectively. Based on this, we can conclude that this is the Exynos 480 chipset. The previous Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A54 models were powered by Exynos 1280 and Exynos 1380 chipsets. The new Galaxy A55 will be equipped with Exynos 480 chipset as already mentioned. Checking the Geekbench database, the S5E8845 or Exynos 480 chipset has been tested and scored 873 in single core and 2680 in multi-core test. Details point to the chipset integration with Samsung Eclipse 530 GPU, Android version 14 and 8GB of RAM. In terms of cores, the octa-core processor includes 4 main core clocked at 2.75 GHz and 4 secondary cores clocked at 2.05 GHz. Regarding the upcoming Galaxy A55 smartphone with Exynos 480 chipset, it is expected that there will be no improvements in the camera. It will still feature a 50-megapixel main camera sensor along with 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle, a 5-megapixel macro lenses. Otherwise, an AMOLED display with a frequency of up to 120 Hz, a 5000 mAh battery, 25-watt fast battery charging, an IP rating for water and dust resistance, a stereo speaker setup, and an in-display fingerprint sensor are expected. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.